In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the print area in Excel. Sometimes when you print a worksheet, Excel only prints a small portion of your data, or it keeps using an old selection that no longer matches what you see on screen. That usually means a print area has been set, either by you earlier or automatically. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to clear that print area so Excel can print your entire sheet, or so you can set up a new one from scratch. First, open your Excel file and make sure you're on the worksheet that's giving you trouble when you print. The print area is specific to each worksheet, so you'll want to clear it on the exact tab where the issue is happening. Next, go to the top of the screen and click on the Page Layout tab. This tab controls how your sheet prints and looks on paper, including margins, orientation, and of course, the print area. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct tab by looking for options like margins and orientation. In the Page Layout tab, look for the section labeled Page Setup. Within that group, you'll see a button called Print Area. Click that, and a small drop-down menu will appear. If a print area has been set on this sheet, you'll see an option that says Clear Print Area. Go ahead and click Clear Print Area. As soon as you do this, Excel removes any previously defined print range on that worksheet. You won't see a dramatic visual change on the sheet itself, but that hidden restriction that was telling Excel what to print is now gone. To make sure it worked, you can check the print preview. Press Ctrl+P on your keyboard or go to File, then Print. In the preview on the right, you should now see that Excel is including all the cells with data on that sheet, not just a small section. If you still only see part of your data, double-check that you cleared the print area on the correct worksheet, and that there isn't a page break or filter limiting what shows. From here, you can either print the whole sheet as is, or, if needed, go back to Page Layout. Choose Print Area again, and use Set Print Area to define a new custom range. That's all there is to it. You've now cleared the print area in Excel and regained full control over what gets sent to the printer.